Hey guys, it's Alan back with another video, and so today we are going to be showing you guys how to do this special makeup tutorial. So let's get right into the video. So guys, first things first is the lipstick. I have so much colors to choose from, but I will be choosing this really nice color. So I'm going to be putting on some lipstick. And I'll be back when I'm done. So guys, if you got a little bit messed up right there, you could go take your cloth thingy, then just like a makeup remover thingy, and just wipe it off. But I'll be doing that. Okay, so once you guys are done that, we'll be getting on with the eyeshadow. Okay guys, the color I am doing is this really nice moon color. And so you want to use this pad right now, and then we'll get on with this pad and I'll talk about what the difference and what it's gonna do to your eyes. So you guys, you're basically gonna want to wink like the other eye open, and then you want to like do that. And so I will be back when I'm done both of my eyes. So then once you're done using this, you want to do this. This is just gonna make it like high if you want to. Well, you don't have to do that. You could also like use both of them for doing that. But you guys, you can do it whatever way you want to. But that's how you do the special makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe and like the video if you really did like the makeup tutorial. So yeah guys, bye!